everybody, I'm Dirty Dan and welcome back to TOOLSDAY. Today's tool we're going to be talking about is this air belt sander. Now, this is a super cool tool. You may have even heard it called a band file. Regardless of its name, the purpose is the same. I didn't mean to rhyme. Sorry, it happens. So this has a 3/8 by 13 inch belt that goes around. Super awesome for getting into tight areas where you can't get to with a normal grinder, and also maybe a 90-degree weld and you want to grind it out nice and smooth. Super cool tool for that. However, it's air operated, so it's noisy and it requires an air compressor. Not everybody has an air compressor, but you may have a power tool. Now, after Milwaukee came out with this 3-inch cutoff tool, they came out with a, you guessed it, battery-powered band file, because people made adapter kits to take these and put the guts on them with an adapter wheel like this. So we bought this wheel online, and we are going to sacrifice this and put it onto here, hopefully, and let's see. Now that we have our completed tool, let's see how it works. Let's say you want to get inside here. Well, not a problem. In the corner there, you can see it contacts the weld. Look at that. You can grind the weld way down with it and get in there a lot better than burning up the side of your angle grinder. This tool is not just for getting into hard to reach places. Even if it's a weld or a spot you need to grind that's in an open, easy to get to place, you can still use this. It's a great tool to have, and you can loosen the Allen bolt here and you can clock this whichever way you want. Now, Milwaukee already makes a tool like this in a couple different versions. I'll put links below for that, as well as the air tool we cannibalized and the original Milwaukee tool that we used. Now, if you don't want to do battery powered, you don't have to. You can still go back to air. But first, let's do a noise comparison. Electric, air. Electric, air. Both of them. Now, I did find a downside to this. While I do love this particular tool, this thing eats batteries like nobody's business. So the little dinky 12-volt batteries are not going to hold up. You're going to need to get like the 4, the 6 amp, or the high output batteries to really be effective and efficient with this. Regardless, it was cool, easy project, fun to do, and it's going to be a super useful tool we use around the shop here quite a bit. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, happy hot rodding.